Today, I'm presenting a Messagero Goliath with the Roskopf System. Its remarkable size and beautifully engraved case make this watch a true collector's piece. Stay until the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any updates. In the mid-19th century, watchmaker George Frederick Roskopf set out to solve a challenge: how to make reliable pocket watches available to ordinary people, not just the wealthy. His answer was the Roskopf System, a simplified movement that reduced costs without completely sacrificing accuracy. The design replaced the expensive jeweled lever escapement with a more economical pin-pallet escapement, simplified the gear train, and used cheaper case materials. These changes allowed Roskopf to offer robust, functional watches that could be sold at a fraction of the price of traditional models. The Roskopf System, known as the Proletarian Watch, made reliable timepieces affordable across Europe. For the first time, workers and travelers could carry a dependable pocket watch. Today, Roskopf watches stand as symbols of accessible watchmaking and social progress.